Do you need a GPT to accelerate YouTube video production? Today I'm exploring script abridgement and a tool I've crafted to change the way I handle video content. Have you faced the challenge of turning long video transcripts into short, meaningful summaries without losing key points? This video shows you how the YouTube script abridger uses smart processing to make extensive transcripts concise and informative. Let's explore how I'm automating my YouTube influence in 2024. Whenever I create my YouTube intro or the SEO-friendly description, or maybe even the Dali 3 B-roll images, I like to create everything based off exactly what I said in the video. And the script abridger is an expert in summarizing transcriptions and making abridgements. If we click on the commands, basically there are two concepts that I like to get out of a full transcription. Going into detail, the role of this bot is to summarize and condense video transcriptions. Now it can use natural language processing to extract structural information from a transcript, or it can summarize it without losing the detail. What this means is I can take a 30-minute video that I've recorded and summarize it from, say, a few thousand words down to a couple of hundred. Now it can do it either as a summary where it condenses but keeps the meaning, or it can do it as an analysis where it gives more of a structural point of view. And both of these sorts of outputs can be useful for future bots. To see an example, let's take this 200 lines of transcript from a 30-minute video that I did earlier in the week. If we compare everything side by side, you can see the full transcript over here on the left is 2,330 words. Now, if we go over to the summary, it basically says close to the same thing, and it does it in 127 words. There's also the analysis, which gives more of a structural view of what the document has, and it's in 270 words. Now, both the analysis and the summarization of the transcript make for really useful inputs into other bots that might generate a description or generate graphics for an intro. And it's as simple to use as typing over the summarize or the analysis command, pasting in your long form transcript, and then just letting GPT do its work. As it goes, we can see that this video features a scripting enthusiast demonstrating the use of a custom GPT agent, the Shell Script Helper. Thank you for joining me in this look at one of the GPTs I use to streamline content creation on YouTube. To dive deeper and discover how I leverage a GPT swarm targeting YouTube automation, check out my detailed video, 7 GPTs to Automate YouTube Influence in 2024. Just click the link on the screen or in the description. If you are interested in more innovative AI tools for YouTube, don't miss out on my Custom GPTs playlist where I showcase a variety of GPT-powered solutions. I'm Appy Dave. Thank you for watching.